I'm a student at Cambridge, and Enterprise Tuesday is sort of the centre point of all entrepreneurial activity in the university ecosystem. So we have students coming in, mentors coming in, other entrepreneurs, investors, so it's a really good time to hear what they have to say and to connect with them professionally as well.
I would describe Enterprise Tuesday as a great talk to go to, just generally if you're interested in business or just meeting new people and networking.
I come along to these events because I think it's a really interesting way to build a picture for the entrepreneurial journey. One of the highlights of this series has been the people that I've met and spoken to, and also always walking away with determination and passion and just something else to mull over in my mind that's really inspiring.
Coming here has been really useful actually, because I'm a founder of a startup and I'm finding my way really in business at the moment. There are a lot of guys who come here, and girls of course, who know an awful lot about business, and you can learn an awful lot from people who've had that experience of creating startups.
The highlight of the series so far actually was today's talk. I really enjoyed today's talk about pivoting to success.
What was really refreshing was to listen to an exceedingly successful entrepreneur. And not only was he able to inspire and stimulate that thirst for entrepreneurship, but also he was candid enough to give some really good tips.
I really liked his live demo. I think everyone was very engaged in watching a live demo of Alexa.
One of the highlights for me has been the talk given by a music startup founder. So he was applying AI to produce music naturally, and the journey he took as a musician and a technologist and apply art and science together.
So after you go to the talks, which are always very interesting, you get this networking opportunity, and that's very important. I've discovered more and more as a startup company, you really need to network. It's proved very useful coming here, and I've met a number of people and are probably going to improve my chances of actually being successful.
Simple. If you fancy a brain spa, come and join us on a Tuesday.